Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to convert your Excel file into Markdown file directly inside your VS Code. So there is an extension for this. You can directly install this. Just write in the extensions tab Excel to Markdown, and you will see this extension appearing, Excel to Markdown table, and it actually converts all your Excel data and converts it into a Markdown table format. And simply activate this extension. After activating it, you simply go to the Excel file, highlight whichever data that you want to, then open command palette and simply write here Excel to Markdown. So just make sure that you select whichever data. So you will see this convert to table. As soon as you do this, it will generate this Markdown file here, which is I think you need to select the data for this. So simply select data and then so this is essentially this extension. You've basically given this instructions right here. You select the data, convert to table, and then need to go to sample.markdown file and simply paste it here. So this is the extension Excel to Markdown table. Simply try this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.